The fifth place goes to chia seeds. Chia seeds are concentrated food containing healthy omega-3 fatty acids, carbohydrates, proteins, antioxidants, and calcium. They are powerhouse of energy. 2 tablespoons contains 140 calories, proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Chia seeds are easy to add to food and beverages. They can be sprinkled on cereals, sauces, vegetables, rice dishes, or yogurt, or they can be used to make drinks. They can also be mixed with water and made into gel. Can chia seeds really reduce your weight? Chia seeds are supposed to expand in your bellies, helping you to feel full, eat less, and ultimately they help you to shed some pounds. If you're allergic to chia seeds or mustard seeds or sesame seeds, or if you are on drugs for hypertension or on aspirin, you should discuss with your doctor or healthcare provider before adding chia seeds to your diet. Fourth place, we have flatfish. It's a great source of protein. Protein is required to maintain and repair tissues, muscles, organs in the body. Offers a great source of essential amino acids. Besides this, is rich in minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. 100 gram of cooked portion is equal to 86 calories. It's very low in energy and it's very dense food. Low calories is comparison to its weight, makes it easier to manage the weight. It has lower content of fat such as saturated fat, helps you to maintain healthy heart and decrease bad fats in your blood. It is a great source of vitamins such as vitamin B and phosphorus. Phosphorus is required for healthy bones and teeth, and it's also good for pregnancy. It also helps to lower your depression because it has omega-3 fatty acids. The consumption of fish is found to be helpful for lowering the chance of diabetes also. Third place, we have got ocean perch. It's a great source of protein, healthy fatty acids, and omega-3. It's a very diet food. It contains calcium and phosphorus. It promotes gum health and tooth enameling. It also provides relief from loss of mineral density or bone loss such as osteoporosis. The study shows that phosphorus has link with maintaining of heart health and prevention of cardiovascular diseases. It treats the health conditions such as numbness, weak muscles, and fatigue. Phosphorus is also vital for brain cells to perform the various functions. Ocean perch is a great source of protein. It is essential for the formation of balance between breakdown of muscle proteins and rate of muscle protein synthesis. It is essential for the formation of strong immune power. The high intake of niacin lowers the LDL levels and increases HDL cholesterol for the body. It also prevents thickening of artery walls and conditions such as atherosclerosis. Niacin and B3 helps you to lower your sugar levels as well. Fourth place, we have got cherimoya. Cherimoya is particularly rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and carotenoids. It contains vitamin B6 that regulates your mood and may help prevent depression. It provides lutein, which may promote eye health and protect against conditions that can lead to poor eyesight or vision loss. It contains magnesium and potassium, two nutrients that support healthy blood pressure. Fiber foods like cherimoya can promote healthy digestion and protect against inflammatory digestive disorders. It is rich in flavonoid, antioxidant that has shown to prevent the growth of cancer cells in the body. It helps to fight chronic inflammation, and it's good for health and good for the prevention of cancer. We have got almonds. They have very impressive nutrient profile. They contain fibers, proteins, fat, vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin B, phosphorus. Almonds are very powerful tree nuts. They are highly in healthy monosaccharides, fiber, protein, and various important nutrients. They are antioxidants. They can protect your cells from oxidative damage. They are contributors to protect you from aging and diseases. They are among the world's best source of vitamin E. Getting plenty of vitamin E from food is linked with these nuts. Help you in lowering the LDL and increases the HDL and reduces the risk of heart diseases. And the eating of these nuts can increase fullness and helps you eat few calories, and it helps you in reduction of weight. For watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please go to yesdoc.com to ask your questions. Thank you very much.